Okay, so what have you got for us?
We're going to talk today about the Unitram system
Oh, that's cool.
from Kato.
Yes.
So this is Kato's Japanese manufactured model trains.
Yep.
They do primarily N Gauge because that's what's most popular in Japan.
Yep.
And not just trains, but tram modeling is very, very popular in Japan as well.
Yep.
And this is a starter set to help get you set up.
Yes.
With, building a street scene with trams running through it. So I
Yep.
thought we'd have a look inside and put it together and see if we can't get it to work.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
We'll put this down.
It'd be good if we could get Plugger on this.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Plugger's gone for a walk and
Hasn't come back yet.
Yeah. So if you ever bump into Plugger on the street, just tell him that we
Return it,
miss
please.
him. Yep, we miss him, and please come back.
We will have to do a wanted sign. How many $1,000?
All over the city. There we go. Very, very snug. The latches on this.
Was it last week we talked about the Shinkansen? Or
It
was
was.
the week before?
Yes.
No, be careful, there's a very
Okay,
expensive
so
car
let's
there.
go on the top camera so everyone can see the unboxing of this.
Yep, got it.
Alright, so you got your quite comprehensive instruction booklet.
Yep.
So put that to the side. Oh, thanks, guys.
Why does Kato always make their packaging very nice, don't they?
Very neat.
That's what you expect, I guess, from a Japanese manufacturer.
All
Alright, so you
your-
got the internal box with all the good bits.
So that's the exciting stuff. We'll have to get to that in just a minute.
Right, okay.
I just want to make sure that we get this big box out of the way.
Yep.
And then this is your box that has all of your plastic bits, and we'll look at that in a minute as well.
Okay. Well, that
Pull
was a
out
bit of a
these.
tease, wasn't it?
Yep, but
Half
it is.
open,
So that you guys don't have to keep supporting this. We'll
Oh,
move
that's
this
alright.
out of the way.
That's our exercise.
We'll put it down here.
Yep. Yep. Alright, what shall we look at first?
Well, we should look at the big box because
Alright.
I bet the most exciting stuff is in there.
Alright, okay.
So this is a scale 1 to 150. That's what Japanese N gauge is.
Yep.
Plate total size 682 by 620 millimeters.
60
So it's-
by 60 really.
Yeah, so it's pretty small. We'll just open it up. We won't put together the whole thing, but it would be nice to have like a little loop going, or at
Okay,
least have a
sure.
look at it.
Okay, so it's all modular, it's all little plates.
That's right. It looks like things have been somewhat partially assembled too.
Yep.
Because you can sort of see where this would connect into this. It
Yep.
might not be so evident on the camera, but they've done a really nice job printing road detail and sidewalk detail. Don't know how well you can see it. We'll take some out of the plastic. But you have things like little manhole covers and utility covers and bike paths and parking lots.
Yes. Oh.
Oops. Sorry about that.
Plastic.
Hope it's insured.
It's insured.
Not
Yeah.
yet. Not yet.
Alright.
Hasn't been sold to
No,
another.
race cars can't be insured.
It's been customized too. Okay, so
What's interesting, I mean, you can really see how it's got the individual track pieces
that's
here.
right.
And they've been put together, and then all the scenery parts have been connected to it as well. So you've got the whole tile happening. So is that, it's double-sided? It is double-sided. Okay, so
Yeah,
it's
I
two.
don't think it's double-sided.
There's two in a packet.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah.
So you've got two tiles in there.
Yeah.
So actually, it's going to be a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
You think we can make it fit on the table here?
Going to crack it.
Well,
I
let's
think
find
we should
out.
try to make it happen.
I'm going to make a circle.
Will we have to possibly move Ferrari?
No, he doesn't move for anyone.
No, that's right. It's parked.
Priority
It's gone,
parking.
it's gone to the shops really.
Because I don't think
Okay.
it'll fit on this parking lot. I mean, that's a bit small for it.
No, it's not the scale.
Oh, okay.
So they have very explicit instructions that when you're holding these pieces when they're together,
Yes.
to not hold it by the track and to hold it by the base.
Oh, so that's where all the stability is.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Interesting.
they don't want you to. You
Oh, but you can actually
that.
see it all here, can't you?
Yeah.
So you can see here how you've got the scenery part here, and then the actual track components that are being clicked together and screwed together. Okay,
Okay.
so
that's-
we've got this bit. So
It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Isn't
yeah,
it?
how's this work? Where's that go?
Well, I would imagine because I've noticed that on the corners,
Yeah.
the tracks space out more. Like they become. It's like a broader gap.
Oh,
And I think that's because you have the
You're correct.
catenary poles
yes,
would
yes,
go
yes.
there.
Oh, that makes sense, doesn't it?
And so you've got the trusty old Unijoiners.
Yes.
And that's what holds this whole thing together, it looks like. So let's see if...
Oh, that's clever, isn't it?
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Done. Brilliant. There we go. Got one more piece here. So we do another,
Oh,
can
there.
we?
Yeah.
all right. Let's give it a go. Let's give
Should
the,
be a
the
nice,
clippage.
yep, satisfying click. There you
Oh,
go.
there you go. All right. And then this one here. Well, this one's a bit trickier, isn't
Now
it?
this is tricky because we have to clip it in both things at once, don't we?
How's that? Is that close enough?
Yep, I think that would
It
be.
should be good.
Got that side.
I think the rubber mat underneath doesn't really help.
No, probably not.
Oh, that's in.
Done.
Done.
Okay.
All right. So all we've got left here are a few bits that I guess in the real set you'll have an extra piece of
Just stretch it out.
here, stretch it out, and then
Yep.
you'll have these extra pieces to fill the middle.
Right.
So
Oh,
just
yeah.
if you stretch it a little bit,
Yes.
you'll have extra
Yep. Okay.
to fill, and
That makes
and
sense.
so you can make a full city. It's actually really nice little system, bit of parking here.
Yep.
It's nice that they've got the road markings already done because that's
Yes.
something that's quite difficult to detail.
Yep.
Yes.
For
And
people
and
who
bike
want to.
paths and things.
Yeah, it would be very specific to like Japanese roadway markings, I think.
Yep.
And they've given us. I thought this was nice,
Yep.
but when you do set this up completely, you can use these as sort of like makeshift little city buildings,
Yep.
and they're actually photographs of buildings produced by Kato that you can buy
Yep.
to populate your layout with. And on the other side, they give you instructions on how to put all of this together,
Okay.
like the do's and the don'ts, how
Yes.
to clean it.
Yep.
It's sort of like a part list of all of the stuff that comes in the box, which
Okay.
is really nice.
Yep.
And then on the other one, it's just
Oh, it's
really,
got different stuff in it.
really cool, yeah. All these neat
So
little
different
buildings.
building there.
And then they give you a little catalog
That's
Right.
brilliant.
of the little people.
I really like the
buildings.
buildings that you can buy extra to put on this.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
That's really impressive. If,
Oh,
you, if you jump on YouTube, you can see some great videos of this full big sets made up with skyscrapers and
Yep.
the full city really.
Yeah, it's nice.
Let's have a look in this box. So we haven't looked at this one yet. I think this has all of the there's the catenaries for the power. I mean,
Yep.
it doesn't pick up power from those, but they go into all of these slots. I would be certain.
I'm guessing you can rig them up.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that
Right.
that would take a while to assemble, but that would
Got street lights and everything.
yeah,
Isn't it?
Yes.
street lights.
Oh, well, there's little holes on the actual surfaces here for
Yeah.
taking.
Put all the accessories really.
Yes.
Everything pops in, and then I think this is for tram stops. So you have like window glazing and framework for tram stops.
Yep.
Little barriers and
Yep.
the decal sheet with stickers for the different spots
Nice.
on the tram stop. Little
Oh,
maps.
they've even got the locations.
Yeah,
Yep.
really nice.
That's cool.
Some more bits, and then a very special re-railer and gauge.
Yep.
Because the track's recessed, the roadbed is sort of level with the top of the tracks. It just barely sticks out, so you need a special re-railer for that, which they've kindly given you.
That's nice.
Brilliant.
So I don't think we're going to be able to power it up because none of these pieces have the input for the power. But we can at least put.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Which part would it have it?
it would be one of the ones we haven't used yet.
Must be.
Oh, I found it.
Okay, so
Yep. We just have to
extend it.
widen
stretch
this a
it
little
out.
bit. If
Oh,
guys
no,
are
let's
happy.
do it.
We
Let's
have
do
to
it.
do that.
Got a controller here, ready to
Alright,
go.
let's give it a go.
If we're going to go that far, might as well
I think
keep going.
just pull.
And I believe the controller is the same one from the last Kato.
Yeah,
too.
that's a traditional standard Kato controller. Is there a trick?
Let's have a look. Let's see what the buildings tell us.
Okay. So look, see here. Because the clips are, there's quite a lot of clips. So look. Pretty full on, aren't they? They're locked in pretty deep.
Yeah.
So I've been.
Is there a little tool for that?
No, there's no little tool, but I'm just looking at this diagram.
Are they twisting it, are they?
Twist motion.
Oh,
Yeah. But they're the standard Unijoiners that you would get on all Kato sets.
oh, maybe I'll leave that to you because you
Okay.
got experience with that, haven't you?
Shows the trick.
Yep.
Oh,
Show us, master.
We'll turn it around the right way. Do you mind grabbing the other side and,
Oh,
and
no,
helping me
it's all
flip
good.
it?
I just did this.
Okay. Oh, good. That's That's a good trick.
Here we go. All right.
Thank you.
Losing some bits.
While you guys are sorting that out
Yep.
for later, I think we've got a guess on the car.
The car.
I
Yeah.
think
All right.
so.
All right. What car is it?
Here we go.
Good.
Oh.
Right.
Very
I think
gracefully.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Carefully, Marlin, open it. That's good.
All right.
All right. So let's get some space.
Now these pieces have the power input on the sides. I'm pretty certain that's what they are.
You just said this sucker come off it.
Oh, I'll take that.
That's for that part here.
Yeah. All right. So what we're doing here? So these are going in between, are they? This goes in here.
What does this one look like?
We need to pop that one off, isn't it?
I will say, as a complete novice, it's a very nice and easy to put together set by the looks of it.
It's very
Well,
intricate,
It's modular.
Mm.
but this is our first time really exploring these, and it's been certainly a long time coming. Oh, that's how
There
it
we go.
clips in. So this it fits completely flush underneath the track.
Oh, and just slide it in, bayonet style.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
That's
that.
it.
Easy.
And then probably comes out
Yeah, that
from
pops
this
out.
with the port here. You can put your
your cap back over it.
Mystery solved.
done.
Oh, you can put the cap over it.
yeah, I
Hang on.
think so.
Let's have a look. Or I think it just comes out that bit
Oh,
there.
that way, yeah, that makes sense to you.
Yep.
But we'll put the cap back just so that it's safe and sound. Like that.
It's great when we're learning on the go. It's actually looking a lot more impressive now, isn't
Add
it?
that cap later.
It's a lot bigger. Let's try and chuck this bit in here. Alright, he's in there.
Click.
It's in there. I'm just drawing up these bits. It's in. You got that. Oh, look at that.
Done.
So
He's
it's got
all together.
a mini trains 009 steam tram,
Cool.
and we'll put this on and see how it goes. Should be on this track here.
Oh, he's going.
So now we know this thing can go really fast because we tried it on Plugger and he actually flew off a couple of times.
If it's a really tall locomotive, it probably won't go around.
So we can accelerate in the straight and then slow down a bit. Actually, now I think you can go on flat stick. That's it. All right, full speed on.
Oh, he's doing some knots
Set
now,
up.
isn't
She's drifting, so we're trying to get the train to drift.
he? Right. No, I'm sorry, he's on rails.
He's on rail, definitely. And on a more serious note, it can go really well when it goes slow too. So this
Yes.
is, as you can see, that's probably more realistic. Look at this.
Yep, get him to crawl along.
There you go. So
Well, that was impressive because we just clicked it together and it's just so smooth already. This is working faultlessly.
absolutely.
great.
So this is a good fun. It's almost like it becomes almost like a Lego. You can build a city.
Yep.
You have your realistic kind of tram.
Yep.
All the road marks.
Yeah.
You can do a lot to this. And obviously we haven't installed all the accessories, all the light poles and power poles and everything else. I'm sure there is a lot that you can do.
It would take a little while. I mean, there's holes to place everything,
That's
Yes.
so
fine.
it's very easy. But it would take a little while to set everything up
Properly.
perfectly.
Yeah.
And then all you need to do is just get figures and vehicles and populate it
edit.
with people.
Hmm. That's
And,
really nice.
Absolutely. Ooh, it's going to get stuck here probably. No. Look at this.
It runs really nice.
So that's a mini train.
Hmm.
So mini train is a German manufacturer of a narrow gauge, which is 009 locomotives and rolling stock.
That's right.
Specifically. So here we go.
Wow.
Now we can get him to go a bit quicker.
Go,
There we
baby.
That's
Can we
medium
put
speed.
him on this? Oh, we've got him on this one. I was going to skip
Yeah.
him on the center one. It wasn't going to go anywhere.
So
No.
in order to have two trains running,
Yes.
you'd actually need to have two power packs.
Transformers,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. And they give you an extra cord
Yep.
to plug it in.
Right.
Unless you were to wire this up DCC,
Yep.
Yep.
and then you could just wire it up all the same.
together,
and
yeah.
we'll have to go into more detail one
Yeah,
day
that's
and
right.
Yeah,
explain
yeah.
that.
So very good.
That's cool. I like that.
That's brilliant.